What's up, everybody, and welcome back to NWI RC. In today's video, we're going to take this Arrma Big Rock. This is a 3S setup, pretty much 100% stock. The only difference we did was we put the 20-tooth pinion in here, and I did upgrade to these HR shocks here. That's all. That's really all that's been done is shocks. The diffs, everything is still stock out of the box. Everything is the same. Stock ESC motors, all that good stuff. The fans are all stock. As you can see, nothing's been modified. But if you remember in the last video when we did our speed run, I had the Senton tires on here. Well, now we got the Big Rock tires on. Same pinion. This here is the GNSS meter that you see me use, but I got this nice case that I got from Mad Lizard Products. I'll link all his information down in the description. Designed to keep it dustproof, waterproof, or water resistant, but I do use waterproof tape around this seam when I run it in my boats and all that good stuff, because you do not want to get these wet. Other than that, we're using this 8000 mAh Gen Ace Bash Pro battery, the 3S battery, and we're going to also test this speed run with these new Z Premium Series batteries. They're 5000 mAh, claiming 120C. We'll see how well that goes. See what kind of run times we'll get. But alright guys, stay tuned, because we're going to see if I could beat my personal best and try to get this thing anywhere between 60 and 65 mile an hour. That is my goal for today. And let's see what she does. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, we are on location. And here we're running 20 satellites. We are going to hit track. We're going to make sure I'm going to give it a little throttle. Okay, as you can see, she's recording, or she is. So as you can see, she is connected. So we're going to go ahead and hit start. Testing. Okay. Remember guys, the Gen Ace battery in here, like I said earlier. It's a little bit windy out here. I apologize for that. So hopefully I could beat my record. Let's see what she could do. I'm gonna get her way out there. Way out there. Okay guys, here we go. Let's see what we can do. All right, we are, oh shit. Okay, let's see what she could do. I'm just gonna go ahead and rip her down the road right now. Okay, we're at half. Full throttle. Oh shit, yep, she wiped out. Did we, oh. No, she's not gonna come back. All right, I know she didn't go that fast, but we're gonna go ahead and stop it. We'll read and see what she did. Yeah, 50 mile an hour, but I'm telling you, the wind here is just insane. Hold on one second. Okay, she's there. We'll hit start. And that was going against the wind. So let's try that again. Full throttle. Oh no, then she just wants to wipe. Oh my god, something just flew out of there. Oh crap. Huh. Oh, looks like I lost my cover. Looks like that's my speed meter. Is it? Yes it is. Okay, looks like I should be taping that case up. But now the question is, did the other half of the lid stay in here? Oh, it's right here in the front bumper. Okay, well, I'm not going to use this because I don't want to lose that. These work great in my boats. So we'll just put this right here. Okay, then we're going to go take this back. And let's see how fast she did. Let's go ahead and power it off for now. I don't know if these speed runs are going to be possible, guys. Okay, let's see what she did. We'll hit stop, record, 50 mile an hour. That's where she seems to be wiping out at. So let's go ahead and hit start. Okay, I don't want to continue to run in these winds if all she's going to do is flip over. So let's see. I mean, she's good. She's good up to like 3/4 throttle. Ah, man, see, these curves are so, they're deep to where I can't get it back over on the street. So and plus these tires aren't made for the road. That's also why she's all over the place. I know the wind doesn't help. I do have her squatted a little bit, but it handled way better with the Senton tires, I could tell you that. So I know she didn't go that fast on that run, so let's try something else here. Okay, she's getting a little squirrely. Now we're going to bring her to the wind here. Okay, let's go. Let's see what she can do. Okay. No. Hold on, she wiped out. Oh, come on, can I get full trigger? Nope, no. Okay, get it out there a little bit more. God, man, I hope this thing will do it. I know that wind is screwing me right now, but it could be these the stock tires from the Big Rock being on pavement. Okay, let's see. As soon as I hit full throttle, there she goes. Right, as soon as I hit full throttle. And I'm on a linear throttle, guys. I'm not just punching it. So man, she's taking a beating. Nothing's broke on it. And again, it's all stock for the most part. Try it again. Okay. 1 second. Why is my remote ticking? Oh, maybe I'm getting a little out of range there? I don't know. 0. Oh, I must have hit it. I must have hit something on my remote, guys. Alright, yep. As soon as I hit that, as soon as I hit full trigger, that's what she does. Alright. Let's try it again. Or actually, let's see how fast she went. I'm just a little curious. Okay. Stop. Read. 50 miles an hour. That can't be. Well, I don't know. Maybe. But it seems like every time it gets to 50, she doesn't want. She wants to just roll, spin out, or whatever. So hold on. I'm only gonna get her out there so far because I don't feel like walking anymore or running. Okay. Let's get her straight, half throttle. Nope. See that? That was pretty cool though, but nice save on accident. Oh, come on. Let's do this, guys. We gotta get this going. Come on. Man, as soon as I get all the way to full trigger, that thing just wants to. Okay, hold on. Let's try this again. Now that the wind died down some, let's see what we could do. Nope, she's already waddling. All right, for the meantime, I want to just hand check the temps. I do have my temp gun. Matter of fact, I could just go ahead and grab it real quick. Let's see what we got here. We are at 110 on the motor. Oh no, I'm sorry. Give me a second here. 110, 112. How about these caps here? 122, 117. ESC 119. How about the battery? Battery 88, 89. How about the plug? 90 or so. Yeah, temps are fine, guys. I mean, you know, I know we're on the pavement. We're not really putting it through any struggle, but man, I think this wind is really screwing me on top of with these stock tires. I need to find some a nice stretch of off-road. That's what I need. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna try this a couple more times, guys, and see, you know, if I can make something happen here or what. So it don't look like I'm gonna beat my record today. Of course, these are with the stock tires, so let's just go ahead and stop it. Read 44. Okay, all right, guys, I'm gonna do a couple more passes. Hit start. Testing. All right, guys, let's try this out. See, that wind's picking back up again. I have a feeling that's screwing me, but that's okay. You know, I'm very new to doing speed runs, so let's see what we can do. Man, is she torquey. Okay, let's get her out there. Yeah, see, that wind's just picked up like crazy, man. All right. No, crap. Well, if I would have had the Senton tires, it sure wouldn't have done that. Man, I can't believe nothing broke in this thing yet. Of course, I'm not trying to break it. I don't want to break it. I might have to try this another day, so I don't know what we're going to do for the rest of this bash series, or session, or not bash. If I could just get it and time it without that wind. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and reset this. Oh no, I can't. So yeah, I can't do that unless I'm closer. Okay, guys. Definitely wheeling really good. All right, come on. I want to drain the battery. Nothing's getting hot. I'm sure the wind is helping it stay cool. Okay. Come on. Oh. Now I can tell, because she's starting to cog there some. Nope. Ah, crap. Okay, we are back. Man, she just loves. She's more for off-road, man, especially with these kind of tires, but not with a 20-tooth pinion. Then you're asking to heat stuff up and burn it up. I didn't bring my gear with me, my stock gear. Definitely made for off-road. Nice. Yep, I think I got something stuck in the steering. That's pretty common. I've had that done before. Get these rocks in the sturdy area here, and I'm sure something just got caught up in the servo. Yep. See right there. Oh, big old rock. Let's get that out of there. Come on. Oh, did it come out? Yeah, she came out the back. Yep, got her steering back. All right. All right, guys. I didn't mean to disappoint. I was trying to get a speed run. It's like it's just going to turn into a bass session. But I really want to get the other gear in it. Let's see here. I think on some nice smooth flat dirt, I bet I could get her going faster on, yeah, 51. Yeah, okay guys, I don't know, maybe out there would be super nice. I don't think you guys can see as clear as I can, but on each side that is so smooth over there, but I have no real way to get over there unless I go grab my golf cart or something. Maybe we'll do that one day. We'll go out in the back and explore. Cause this street riding, man, I'm just not, can't seem to get it. Of course, these tires aren't designed for the road, like I said before. I get the proper tires that'll work, but the whole point of the speed run is testing a stock big rock with a 20-tooth pinion, see how fast we can get her to go. But man, I'll tell you, she's definitely torquey. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Man, I'm a little disappointed. 51 mile an hour. Oh, them tires are a little warm. Nice. Yeah, it's too windy out here, guys, for one. For two, these tires aren't designed for pavement. For three, why I'm doing speed runs on a big rock, I don't know. But hey, some of you guys wanted to see this with the stock tires. Stock gearing would be kind of pointless. So let's go ahead and turn her off and visually inspect everything. Oh shoot, am I missing? No, I thought I was missing a couple screws there. Everything's fine, guys. Nothing's broke. Everything looks good. Great basher though, I can tell you that. I'm not having one bit of problem bashing this thing. So yeah, I think my speed running days with this one is going to be over on pavement unless I get some different tires. If you guys have a tire recommendation, please let me know. I might end up picking them up and maybe setting this up a little bit different. But for right now, I'm going to redo the shock oil, reset the shocks, get them where I want it for off-road. And yeah, we'll take this thing off-road and we'll see how many jumps we could do before she breaks. Not that I'm trying to break it, but hey, that's the fun of this hobby. Hey guys, please like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.